Using a concept map with English language learners at proficiency level 6, reaching, is an excellent way to develop their analytical and critical thinking skills, enhance their academic vocabulary, and facilitate deep comprehension of complex and abstract concepts. At this level, learners should be able to handle sophisticated topics and create intricate connections between ideas. Here's how to effectively use a concept map with English language learners at language proficiency level 6, reaching. Choose a topic that is intellectually stimulating. The topic should be relevant to the curriculum and allows for deep exploration. Examples include philosophical theories, advanced genetics, global economic policies, or literary criticism. Explain the purpose of a concept map to visually organize and interconnect complex ideas, aiding in understanding and retention. Show an example of an advanced concept map, highlighting how different ideas are interconnected and how they support deeper understanding. Write the central idea or main idea in the center of the map. Use precise academic language and add an image if relevant. For example, if the topic is philosophical theories, then write philosophical theories in the center. With learners, collaboratively brainstorm main categories related to the central idea. For philosophical theories, these could be epistemology, ethics, metaphysics, and political philosophy. Have students write these categories around the central idea and connect them with lines. Under each main category, brainstorm subcategories or specific examples. For epistemology, subcategories could include empiricism, rationalism, and constructivism. Now, under empiricism, you might include John Locke, David Hume, and experience as a source of knowledge. Connect these subcategories and their details to the appropriate main category with lines. Incorporate pictures, icons, and colors to make the concept map more engaging and easier to understand. Use different colors for each main category and add pictures for key examples. Review the completed concept map with the learners. Discuss each part of the map using complex sentences and academic vocabulary to describe the relationships. For example, empiricism, championed by philosophers like John Locke and David Hume, asserts that knowledge is primarily derived from sensory experience. Encourage learners to ask questions, add their own ideas, and make connections between different parts of the map. Learners can use concept maps to practice language skills. Use a concept map as a basis for various language activities. Speaking. Have learners present different parts of the concept map to the class, explaining complex relationships and using advanced vocabulary. Writing. Assign a detailed research paper or essay on one of the main categories, using the concept map for structure and information. Reading. Provide scholarly articles or advanced texts related to philosophical theories and ask learners to connect the information from the text to the concept map. Here's an example of a concept map for philosophical theories. Our central idea is philosophical theories. The main categories are epistemology, ethics, metaphysics, and political philosophy. Have details for each category with pictures for each activity. For epistemology, we can include empiricism, rationalism, and constructivism. For ethics, include utilitarianism, deontology, and virtue ethics. For metaphysics, include ontology, cosmology, and dualism. For political philosophy, include social contract, justice, and liberty. The details for each subcategory should also be added to the concept map. For epistemology, empiricism. John Locke, David Hume, experience as a source of knowledge. René Descartes, Baruch Spinoza, reason as a source of knowledge. Immanuel Kant, knowledge construction, interaction with the world. For ethics, utilitarianism, Jeremy Bentham, John Stuart Mill, greatest happiness principle. Immanuel Kant, duty-based ethics, categorical imperative. Virtue ethics, Aristotle, character and virtue, moral virtues. For metaphysics, ontology, being and existence, nature of reality, origin of the universe, space and time. In dualism, mind-body problem, René Descartes. For political philosophy, social contract, Thomas Hobbes, John Locke, Jean-Jacques Rousseau. Sean Rawls, Theory of Justice, Fairness. Isaiah Berlin, Positive and Negative Liberty, Individual Freedom. By using a concept map with English language learners, Proficiency Level 6, reaching, you can help them visually organize and understand highly complex information, making it easier for them to learn and retain advanced academic vocabulary and concepts while enhancing their critical thinking and language skills.